thanks to Operation Warp Speed, we discovered a vaccine that is effective within a year. However, some folks still are concerned about side effects. Knowing this, what would young women need to know about any potential side effects and if it would harm a pregnancy?
Sure. We get a lot of questions about a woman's fertility and about pregnancy and whether the vaccine is the right thing to do. I think any woman who's thinking about having a baby or who's pregnant, certainly that's foremost in their mind because they want to make sure their baby is safe and protected and they're not doing anything to harm it. We know that these vaccines don't affect fertility. In fact, I don't know of any vaccine there is that affects fertility because vaccines just don't work that way. That's not something they do. But these vaccines have been studied as much as any vaccine has ever been studied. And even though the vaccines came out really quickly with Operation Warp Speed, no one took shortcuts on the safety of those. And we've had many women now who've gotten vaccinated, who've gone ahead and gotten pregnant, and now are actually starting to have their babies now. And there's no issues related to that at all. One thing we do know is that pregnant women are a little bit more likely to do poorly if they get COVID than an average person. Pregnancy weakens your immune system a little bit in a way. So if you're a pregnant person, we definitely want you to be protected by getting the vaccine. But as always, talk to your own doctor. Ask your obstetrician what he or she thinks and take their advice.
Well, I think that's some of the best advice is talk to your local health provider, the person that takes care of you and your family on a daily basis.
That's right. You know, the person who knows you best is the person who ought to help you make those decisions. You know, any medical decision you have is best answered by your doctor or your pharmacist or your nurse practitioner you see, whatever provider gives you your health care. They're the people who know you best and will give you the best advice.